Here are 3 easy steps to be chased by your specific person, someone you're deeply interested in, or someone you want. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to get signed up for Manifest Your Perfect Destiny in Sedona, Arizona, November 11th, 12th, and 13th. Simply go to manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. Well, high flyers, we know that everything in the universe, including you and I, is energy. Everything is vibration. When your vibration is in harmony, it's in alignment with whatever you desire, then what you desire is automatically yours. It's already there, it's already manifested in your life. You simply have to get into alignment. When you're in alignment, when you're in vibrational alignment, high flyers, what you want will chase you, including a phone call, a text message, or more attention. The great philosopher Rumi said this: what you seek is seeking you. So, high flyers, what you desire is already within you. You already have it. So, look within yourself, within your own vibration, rather than looking outward. I hear people all the time say, well, Robert, I can't help it. First off, I absolutely detest that phrase, I can't help it, because you can help it. But people will say, Robert, I can't help it. I just feel lonely. High flyers, Rumi says the following: do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. So, high flyers, I said I was going to give you 3 steps, and here they are. Step 1 is self love. So, what you want to do under self love is focus on your own magnetism, your own beauty, your own specialness, your own uniqueness. Start thinking about it, focus on it, affirm it, believe it, live it. High flyers, begin living your life from the position of I am. I am the one. I am always receiving what I want. I am healthy, vibrant, and attractive. High flyers, there's a number of other things that you can do under the title of self love, but the more you love yourself, the more you baby and pamper yourself, cherish yourself, believe in yourself, the more magnetic you become, especially to that person that you want attention from. If you're feeling the only way that you're going to feel fulfilled or happy or worthy is if they call or text you or write you or give you attention, then that's not self love. That's the opposite of self love. And that's the opposite of the law of attraction. High flyers, number 2 is give them a chance to want you. So we've already talked about keeping your center of focus on yourself. That's important. But equally important, high flyers, is don't fill up their energy field, their subconscious mind, with your wanting and needing and hoping and crying and wishing. Okay. And so what happens is you have a psychic connection to this person, and you're not giving them a chance to miss you or to want you or to think about you on their own, because you're always in their energy field with wanting, needing, all the lower vibrational energies that are really opposite of the law of attraction. Rather, try this: focus on how much they want you. Use the law of assumption in harmony with the law of attraction. It's not one or the other, high flyers. You can use the law of assumption and the law of attraction together. So focus on how much they want you. First, through visualization. visualizing them in just short 1 minute or 2 minute visualizing snippets, as I call it. Just visualize them wanting you, calling you, texting you, showing you the attention that you deserve and the attention that you desire. And also create affirmations about how much they hunger for you, how much they want to spend time with you, how much they want to get to know you or want to get back with you or want to text you or call you. And finally, I love scripting. So you sit down, and excuse me for a minute, and you get a book like this, and you just start scripting in your book. And you script about how much they want you, how special you are, how special they make you feel. And then you go back and you read it every evening. So I like to script in the morning and then reread in the evening. And high flyers, number 3 is what I call feel the love. You know what I mean? Feel the love. Feel it from everywhere. Look, if you want more attention from one person, you need to be a love magnet. You need to be filled with love energy. So start feeling the love everywhere. Feel the love, baby. Feel the love coming to you from, old friends, new friends, from family, from relatives, from people that you don't like, from people that you do like. Feel the love. And as you start feeling the love, give out the love. Smile more, show more happiness, show and live a life filled with love and giving and joy. Don't be afraid to smile at a stranger. As you do this, you begin to kick up your magnetism, and that puts you in alignment with the special person that you want to hear from or that you want a connection to. Feel the love. And then, of course, your self concept should be that you are the one on a pedestal. You are the one worth fighting for. You are the one worth chasing, not the other way around. This is very important. High flyers, detach from anything that is not a part of your intention. So if you have an intention and your intention is to be with a specific person or having them call you or giving you more energy, detach from any thought or any action that is opposite of what you desire. Also, under feel the love, I would say, don't focus on the 3D world. Look, all kinds of happens in the 3D world that really doesn't mean anything, high flyers. It really doesn't. And so, high flyers, stuff happens in the 3D world, and we begin to think that's the way it is. No, that's the way it is for that snapshot of time, for that moment of time. But you are a co creator, you are a manifester, you are changing reality. And so that snapshot will change shortly. I don't know why I can't say snapshot, but I can't for right now. Anyway, it's a snapshot in time. Ignore 3D limitations because you have no boundaries. You have no limits when you get serious about your manifesting. Also, under the title Feel the Love, know what you desire is easy. Anything that you believe is easy becomes easy. That's law of attraction. And anything that you believe is difficult, or I'm not sure if it's ever going to happen, and you get into that mind frame, that's difficult. And that's a challenge. And that works against you. And that's opposite of your intention. You're magnetic. You're beautiful. And you deserve the love that you desire. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring, alchemy, success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries, yes, with relationships, and we can help you too. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.